This is Michael Lukes from How to Livable. Today we're going to show you how to invite your LinkedIn connections to become a member of a group. So first you do want to find that group. You can search for it in the search bar here, then make sure you click on groups. You can find it, and then you click there. There'll be several different ways. It should pop up here organically to share group right down here in the middle. So you can click on share group, and then this would post a post to your feed, so people would be able to find it that way. You can also change who it's available to, and you can also share it on Twitter. The other way to invite specific connections is to, over here, click on invite connections. Then your network will pop up, and you can add who you want to invite to join a group. And that's how you invite somebody to become a member of your LinkedIn group. If you have any questions about this or anything else on LinkedIn, please do ask us a question. If this was helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to the How to Livable channel. Thank you.